Marcoux with the Fran Marcoux team, powered by Remax Choice Properties. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your 2021. Keeping with all your resolutions, it is only mid-January. Our team, in reviewing our goals for 2021, took a good look at our community pillar, what we wish to do to give back to our community. We have always been active participants, partnering with the Chamber of Commerce, Rotary Club, and last year we participated more with the Parks Department than we have in the past. We helped with the fundraiser for Mary's Magical Place to raise funds for the maintenance of that awesome all-inclusive playground that we have. And we also participated in the Festival of Lights and hope to be able to do more of those again this year as well. But our main project this year was to try to help support our local businesses. So we have created a quarterly newsletter in which we are highlighting and featuring local businesses. We have things for the kiddos to do, we have recipes, and we're even offering, in our first edition, just in time for Valentine's Day, some great deals. What we're asking is if you would please register in this description of this video, there is a link. If you would register for your copy of our newsletter that will be coming out in February, and then help support our local businesses here in the community. Have a great 2021. I hope that it will be all that you wish for it to be. And thank you once again for helping support local. Nashville's North Shore.